So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can install Telegram app on your iPhone. So first of all, open the App Store on your iPhone. Now here, tap on this icon on the top right corner. Now as you can see here, my Apple account is logged in on my iPhone. You will have to log in to your Apple account to install the apps from the App Store. So make sure you do that before you continue. Once you log in to your Apple account, tap on Done. Now after this, tap on the search option on the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search option on the bottom right corner. After this, tap on the search bar. Now here search for Telegram. Now as you can see here, this is the Telegram app. Tap on this icon to download and install it. Wait for a few seconds until the app installs. Now once the app is installed, tap on Open. And this will launch Telegram. Now you can sign into a Telegram account and start messaging. So this is how you can install Telegram app on iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.